Alright, so I bought this valve from Surplus City, and it's a diverter valve. It diverts, you know, excess hydraulic flow to somewhere else. So it comes with these giant, you need a giant hex key to take these plugs out, and I'm like, who has one of those? And these things are in there. I mean, you can't use this without taking these three out. It makes no sense. But anyway, so I'm like, well, what the heck? Now I gotta go buy a giant hex key in order to get those out of there. And then I thought, wait a minute, what do I have that's hex? And started looking around. Here's what I came up with. So a hex bolt. I wedged 4 nuts on there. It fits down in there just perfect. I already busted this one loose. But took that one right out. I don't know if it's going to leak oil everywhere. So put that there. Put a little bridge right there. Because these things, they're in there. It's like they were afraid they were going to fall out or something. Alright, here's the other one. Oh boy, almost didn't get that one. Alright, so anyway, that's how you can make a giant hex key if you don't have one. Thank you for watching.